y'all? So today I got a different kind of video for you. Alipearl hit me up, sent me a 22-inch wig. So today I'm gonna show y'all how this install went. It was very flawless, very perfect. So let's get into the details. So they sent me this pretty pink bag with all these essentials to install my wig and some lashes. So I'm gonna show you guys the wig. It was really nice in quality. The density was perfect. Like, it was so full. I really don't care for like natural browns, but this one had like a real dark tint to it, so I liked it. It almost looked black, but you know, it wasn't. I think it's because of how full it was. The pattern, the texture, everything was perfect. So now I'm just showing you guys up close and personal the lace in particular. It came pre-plucked. That really helped. And the HD lace, you could really tell it's HD lace. So here's the wig bands they sent, the edge brush, the cap, and the satin silk band. And these are some lashes. They were really cute. And that wig band is long, honey. Okay, off camera, I melted my cap and applied it on with some makeup. And I also bleached the knots on the wig and put some makeup on there and kind of plucked it a little bit more. Now I'm hot combing the wig, making sure the hair is as flat as possible. So my edges, the hairline is smooth and flat and natural and nice. That is a key to a good install, making sure you hot comb that hair down to the scalp, because you want it to give scalp. And with the wig coming pre-plucked, it kind of helped me a lot. Even though I went back in and plucked it some more, it still gave like a real natural, you know, hairline. So now I'm taking a wax stick just to make sure the hairs are as flat as possible. Like, this is a mandatory step, making sure that wig is flat and even. Period. The lace was very thin, which I liked. I don't really like thick laces because it's harder to blend, but it was really thin and it cut really smooth. So now I'm applying some makeup to the edges, and I just got tired, so I took a little break. Now, let me tell y'all something. Off camera, I was literally fighting with these edges. Like, it's so hard to do, and I left my small mini flat iron home, so I wasn't able to curl my edges, so I really had to freehand them things, and that junk was hard. So now I'm kind of combing them out so they're kind of soft, not too hard. And I'm going to do the other side later. I just want to make sure my hair is parted even and nice, like I got it done for real. And let me tell y'all something. I really be doing my hair sometimes. Like, I know y'all don't be wanting to pay them stylists, so I'm just showing y'all, like, everybody could do their own hair. Like, you don't have to keep paying people. And I wanted to incorporate a hairstylist in this video, but I'm like, let me just show them, like, I could do my own hair, child. I ain't no professional, but I could make something shake. And the wig really did everything for me. Like, I put it on, yeah, but the wig did all the talking. So now I'm just brushing the hair out because I'm gonna go for that wet and wavy natural pattern look. You know, I don't really care for curling hair, doing all that, applying all that heat. I just like to wake up and go about my business. So this was the perfect look to do with this wig. Perfect. Like, the effort you put in is 0 to none. Honestly, the wig really does all the talking. Like, what more do I need to say? So I did use their brush in their wig band to do my edges, and I needed it because I didn't have a wig band. And I just like that they give you all these things that you can actually use and you need to keep up with your hair. So here's the end of the look. Super cute, super easy, and it's super fire. I really love this look. Shout out to Alipearl. I give them a 10 out of 10. Make sure you guys go check them out. Thank you guys. See you on the next upload.